Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Emberton III wireless Bluetooth speaker and you are trying to figure out how to pair it with a Bluetooth device. Now there's kind of two situations here. One is it's a device that it's already been paired with in the past, and the other one is you're trying to pair it with a new device. So when it's on and it's in range of something that it has been paired with in the past, it will automatically remember and try to connect with that speaker. But if you need to add a new speaker, or if you're trying to switch speakers, then we can manually put it into pairing mode. And what we're going to do is with the speaker on, or if it's not on, we'll push and hold the power button until it turns on, and then we can push and hold the Bluetooth button until the LED turns to a slow blue pulse. And from there, we can go over to our Bluetooth device and select our Emberton 3 from the available devices list, at which point it should pair automatically. If you're having issues with it not pairing, you might want to try a factory reset on the speaker, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that reset. Anyways, if this worked for you, please leave me a like. I'd really appreciate it.